Okay. Part 2. Found the speaker. Found the battery. And the motherboard right here. Right here, 2 parts. Yeah. Literally just destroying the speaker. Do a little ripping here. Oh, sorry. Oh, well, I'll just rip that off, I suppose. Oh, that just happened. That just happened. Oh, look at this. Over here now. Sadly, I do not have a knife right now. I own one, I just do not have it with me, so that's why I'm smashing stuff. Oh! Yeah. Look at this. Oopsies. Oh. There you go, right here. Right here. Wonder where the battery went. There we go, here's the battery. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna end it here. I think you get what's inside an ONN speaker. Bye.